Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Thanksgiving sa Amerika. Kahit hindi po ako Amerikana, kahit wala po ako, even though I am not US citizen, or even though I am not in USA, but I have so many things to thankful. First, I just want to say thank you. I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful to have Adam Morris in my life. I'm so thankful to have him, to be his wife, and to be his partner in crime. I'm so grateful that I found him. I'm so blessed that Adam Morris loved me so much. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you so much, babe, for always there for me, for loving me, for accept me, for accept me my flaws. Yeah. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much. I'm forever grateful and thank you because you always love me for who I am and what I have. I'm always thankful and grateful. Thank you, babe. I'm so lucky to have you. I love you so much, babe. Happy Thanksgiving, even though I'm not there in USA to celebrate with you, but I'm happy na nagsiselebrate kayo ng Thanksgiving. I'm happy to see you all, you guys, that you celebrate Thanksgiving together. So I hope very soon I'll be there in USA to celebrate with you. I can't wait to celebrate with your family. Happy Thanksgiving, guys! Thank you for watching my vlog. Please keep watching my vlog. And soon, ma-monetize na yung channel natin. I can't wait to monetize our channel. Thank you so much for the subscriber. I love you all. See you in my next vlog. Thank you. Have a great night and happy Thanksgiving. Love you. Bye!